Fibonacci series. The Fibonacci series, as you know, that it is working in the basis like you pass 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 3 3 2 5. Okay, so it is a Fibonacci series. You have to add the previous value, and so this is a Fibonacci series which is showing you the value up to 200. So int a and b, a is equals to b is equals to 1. So in a I am storing 1, in b also I am storing 1. So here it is printing you 1. तो फास्ट देख ये प्रिंट कला हमको 1 तापर एठी b वैल्यू रे अछि 1. तो 1 इज लेस देन 200. ओके दिशा तुम्हें प्रोग्राम करिनो, तुम्हें काली बाय टुमोरो प्रोग्राम करके मते शो करिवो. मनीषा काली भी छुट्टी अछि, ट्राई करिवो, काली करके देखियो.
Yes, sir.
So b is also 1. 1 is less than 200. Condition is true. Then एठी प्रिंट कला 1. तापर एठी देखो a आउ b रे मोर 1 अछि, तो 1 प्लस 1 एठी गला 2. तो a इज इक्वल्स टू b माइनस a. b रा वैल्यू हैला 2, a रा वैल्यू हैला 1. तो 2 minus 1, a रे रहला 1. Now condition again check. 2 is less than 200. Condition is true. So it is printing you 2 here. तापर एठी होबा b is equals to a plus b. a रा वैल्यू 1 अछि, b रा वैल्यू 2 अछि. 2 plus 1 एठी गला 3. a is equals to b minus a. So 3 minus 1, a रा वैल्यू हे गला एठी 2. Now 3 is less than 200. Condition is true. 3 is less than 200. Okay, so এটা মতে 3 প্রিন্ট কলা এটি again. এটা 3 প্রিন্ট কলা. তো b is equals to a plus b. तो a रे अछि 3, b रे अछि 2. तो 3 plus 2 हे गला एटी 5. तो a is equals to b minus a. b रे अछि 5, a रे हला 2, b minus 2 हे गला एटी 3. Now b value is 5. 5 is less than 200. Condition is true. It is showing you 5. Now b is equals to a plus b. So 5 plus 3 हे गला एटी 8. b रा वैल्यू हे गला 8. a is equals to b minus a. 8 minus 3 एटी हे गला 5. Okay, now the condition will check. 8 is less than 200. Condition is true. 8 is less than 200. Then it is printing you 8 here. Now b is equals to a plus b. So b is equals to a plus b. 8 plus 5 हे गला एटी 13. a is equals to b minus a. So 13 minus 5 एटी हे गला 8. Now 13 is less than 200. Condition is true. So it is 13 print color. Then b is equals to a is equals to b minus a तो এটা 13 प्रिंट कला तो ये 13 प्लस b ହେଇଗଲା 21 तो a is equals to b minus a 20 minus 8 ହେଇଗଲା ଏଠି 13 ହେଇଗଲା now again 21 is less than 200 condition is true तो एठी मते 21 प्रिंट कला then 21 plus 13 ହେଇଗଲା केते 34 तो 34 minus 13 रहेगा 21 एरे तो 34 is less than 200 condition is true 55 then 55 प्रिंट कला तापर 55 सॉरी केते 55 हो गयो एटा फर्स्ट 34 प्रिंट करिवो 34 तो 34 एठी ऐड हे गला केते 34 प्लस 21 एठी गला 55 तो a is equals to b minus a 21 minus a एटा हे गला 34 now 55 is less than 200 condition is true एठी रहला 55 तो 55 plus 34 এটা হয়ে গেল 89 89 minus 34 এটা হলো 55 89 less than 200 condition is true তো এটা 89 প্রিন্ট করলে
सर आपको वॉइस आसुनी
ଏବେ ଆସିଲା ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
यस सर यस सर
এটা ବୁଝି ହେଲା ତ এই ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମଟା
यस सर
ଦିଶା
यस सर
okay so now I run the file ବୁଝି ପାଇଲ
यस सर
Okay, so I show you another program. So we have to define class prime example. Now define main method string args. Now I define a variable int I m is equals to 0, flag is equals to 0. So three variable I am define int I m is equals to 0 and flag is equals to 0. Int n is equals to 3, m is equals to n by 2 if n is equals to 0 or n is equals to 1. Just a minute. I remove all the things. First I define a variable int norm is equals to 29. Then we define a variable boolean flag equals to false. Then now I use for loop for int I is equals to 2, I less than equals to norm by 2, then I plus plus. So if norm modulo I is equals to 0, flag is equals to true, break. Then if not flag, system dot out dot println it's showing you number is a prime number, else number is not a prime number. તમે બે ચેક કરી ફાઇલ સેવ as now I run the example. Java C, Java, so 29 is a prime number. So how it is working, check. एटे मैं गोटे वेरिएबल डिफाइन कले int num is equals to 29, तार एटे गोटे बुलियन वेरिएबल डिफाइन कराला, बुलियन फ्लैग इक्वल्स टू फॉल्स, तो int I is equals to 2 गोटे डिफाइन कराला, 2 लेस देन इक्वल्स टू नम बाय 2, नंबर टाको आमे 29 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 29 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हेले केते आसीबो 14 आसीबो, तो नम रे 14 स्टोर हला, तो 2 इज लेस देन 14, कंडीशन इज ट्रू. यदि कंडीशन इज ट्रू ताले इनर लूप को आसेला 29 मॉडुलो I 29 रे 2 डिविजिबल कले 0 की नुहे, 29 रे एटा डिविजिबल कले एटा 0 नुहे, तो कंडीशन फॉल्स हला. I रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 3, सो 3 इज लेस देन नम बाय 2, माने नम बाय 2 हे गले हमर आसी जो 14, 3 is less than 14, yes, then 29 modulo 3 is equals to 0, no, condition false हला. again I रो वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हला 2 रू हे गला 3 रू हे गला 4, 29 is less than 29, सॉरी एटा हे गला केते 3 4 4 is less than 14, condition is true. The 29 modulo equals to 0, no, condition false. Then again 4 ta 5 hela, 5 is less than 14, condition is false. तो 5 रे 29 भी डिविजिबल हबनी, अगेन 6 जीव, तो एमती बढ़ी बढ़ी गला 14 जाए जीव, तो 14 is equals to 14, yes, 14 is equals to 14. Then 29 modulo 14 is equals to 0, no, तो 14 टा इंक्रीमेंट है 15, कंडीशन फॉल्स है गला, माने लूपिंग टा इटी स्टॉप है गला, ये लूपिंग टा इटी स्टॉप है गला. देन नॉट फ्लैग, फ्लैग टा हमर कौन अछि, फॉल्स अछि, नॉट फ्लैग हेले कौन जीवो, ट्रू हेला. If not true, the true hela, then it is a prime number. So 29 is a prime number. Suppose मुझे 4 पास करेंगे, तो 4 हेले I रा वैल्यू हेला 2, 2 is less than equal to 4 by 2, yes, 2 is equals to 2. Then 4 modulo 2 is equals to 0, yes, then flag true हेला. यदि flag true होची, ताले not flag माने एठी कौन हेला, एटा ए कंडीशन टा false हबो, ताले मते आसीबो it is not a prime number, 4 is not a prime number. तो ये मोर कौन है ना, यहाँ ट्रू हो गला, ट्रू है पर ब्रेक हम माने फ्लैग रे कौन हो गला, ट्रू आसला. जदि ट्रू आसूची, नॉट फ्लैग हेले फॉल्स, माने यहाँ चेक होनी, एल्स पार्ट को जीव, ये देखिए प्राइम नंबर. बुझी पाइल
Yes, sir.
मनीषा?
Yes, sir.
बुझेला तो ये प्रोग्राम?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then then I go to the do while loop. So there is a same work between while loop and do while loop, but in the do while loop, if your condition is false, at least one time your statement is executed. If your condition is false, at least one time the statement is executed in the case of do while loop. So let's see the example. In do while loop, now check. Here I pass int a is equals to 10. Then now it is printing you 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. এটা আগে ডিসপ্লে কলা, তারপরে কন্ডিশন যাই চেক হবো. 11 is less than equals to 20. Yes. Then again 11 show कला 11 plus 1 12 तो up to मते 20 जाए डिस्प्ले करिवो. So 10 to 20. If your condition is false, I pass here 100. Now if you check that in this condition 100 is less than 20. No, 100 is not less than 20. But still, if your condition is false, it is execute one time. Okay, so at least one time your statement is execute if your condition is false. Same thing if you do in the while loop. So int a is equals to 10, 10 less than equals to 20. So that 10 print color. So it is printing you 10 to 20. But now if I pass here 100, so 100 is less than 20, condition is false. So if I execute, it is not printing you any value. So in the case of do while loop, if your in the case of suppose while loop, if your condition is false, there is no statement is execute. If your condition is what like in the do while loop, if your condition is false, at least one time your statement is execute, but it is not happen in the case of while loop. That is the two difference between while loop and do while loop. Now we're using the break and continue statement. The break and continue statement, break statement is used to exit from the loop. Suppose if you want to print 10 to 20, but in between you want to stop your loop when it is 15, then we're using break statement. So break statement is basically it is used to exit from a loop in between. In between, if you want to exit from a loop, we're using a break statement. And continue statement is used if you want to skip the particular loop. At that timing we're using continue statement. Suppose you want to print from 1 to 10, in between if you want to skip only 5, at that timing we're using continue statement. Continue statement is called as the jump statement. Okay, so it is called as a jump statement, that is called as continue. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ତମକୁ ବତେଇଥିଲି ପ୍ୟାକେଜିଂ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ, ଯୋଉଟାକି ନେଟବିନରେ ଆମେ କରିବା, ସେଟା କେହି କରିନ ନା କରିଥିଲ?
No, sir.
ସେଟା କରିବ, ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାକେଜିଂ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ, ଦେଖିଦବ। ଯଦି ନ ଆସିଲା ମତେ କହିବ, କଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ
Yes,
ତମକୁ
sir.
ବତେଇବି। So Java provide the break statement. It is used to stop the execution of remaining statement within the body of the loop. If you want to exit the loop, remaining loop, we are using break. Continue statement, that is used to skip all the statement following with the continue. Okay, so like this is a break program. So int a is equals to 10. So 10 is less than equals to 20. So condition is true. 10 is less than 20. Then it will check here. 10 is equals to 15. No. Then it is printing you 10. But when it is 15, at that timing your looping is stopped. Okay, so it is up to printing 10 to 14. When it is 15, then it stop the loop. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the next class I will show you the continue statement, and we will start with the array. Okay, so you do the practicals. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo.
Thank you, sir.